Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha. So as we all know that quarantine has hit all of us so hard and we have to carry out all our official unofficial meetings through video conference only, and along with that, if you have those official meetings, then you guys know that you have to look very presentable till here, no matter what you are wearing down there, but you have to look very presentable till here. So I thought, why not share with you guys some hairstyle ideas so as to make you look more neat, clean and presentable while attending any Zoom call or Google Meet meetings. No matter whatever hair length you have, you all can try out these looks, and they are such easy looks that you all can do it under 30 seconds. So without waiting, I guess we should get started with our video. Do a center partition and then take some hair from your front side. After that, take a front section and start twisting it as shown. Twist it till the end and then just secure it using any bobby pin or a tic tac pin. Do the same thing for other side as well. After that, take rest of your hair and just tie them up using a black rubber band, and that's it. For the next hairstyle, firstly you have to do a side partition. Comb your hair properly so as to give a very neat and clean kind of look, and then secure it using a bobby pin. For the other side, take a small section and start twisting it as shown. Twist it till the end and then secure it using a pin. Take another section and just twist it as you twisted before. Now take rest of your hair and make a side bun. Secure it with a rubber band, and that's it. For the third hairstyle, take some hair from the front and just try to make a small puff. Take rest of your hair and start making a high ponytail. Make sure you comb your hair properly so as to give it a very neat and clean look. Tie up your hair using a black rubber band, and that's it. For the next hairstyle, firstly do a side partition. After that, take some section from the back and start making a side puff, and secure them using some bobby pins or tic tac pins. Now take rest of your hair and clip them up as you did before. Do the same thing for your next side as well. Just take some hair and try to make a small puff out of it, and then secure it using some pins. Now take rest of your hair and make a side ponytail using a black rubber band. After that, just make a loop above your rubber band and just bring rest of your hair from that loop. And that's it. For the last hairstyle, make a center partition and bring out some flicks. After that, just pin up your hair at the back. Do the same thing on both the sides. After that, take rest of your hair and just divide them into two sections. Now start twisting it on each other as shown. After that, just roll them up to make a side bun. Use a rubber band to hold it up and some Juda pins as well. And that's it. So guys, that was it for my today's video. I hope you guys like some of the hairstyle ideas. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video, because I am very regular with my YouTube videos and I have planned to come up with 2 YouTube videos every week. So make sure that you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any notification. Till then, stay tuned and bye bye.